Okay, so this board is done. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Ready lang tayo para pumasok sa trabaho. Tapos na yung leave ko eh, so we're now back at work. Mamaya pupunta yung tropa dito sa bahay para magpagupit. Ugupitan ko siya and then after that, I'm gonna wax my board. Dahil March 9, hopefully makapag-snowboard kami. The plan is to go to Kirkwood finally. Okay, pasok muna ako sa trabaho. I'll be back during lunch and then papasok din ako sa part-time ko mamayang hapon and then magpapagupit si Kuya Dieter. And then after that, wax the snowboard. Then, yeah, I'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? Lunchtime. Lunch muna bago balik ng trabaho ulit. Hey, where you going? So, medyo malamig-lamig pa sa labas eh. And then, this weekend, it's supposed to snow too. Okay sana mag-snowboard, but we're busy this weekend. I have work and then me time din ni Sabrina. So, kawawa naman, lagi siya nag-aalaga kay baby. Kasi nga may trabaho ako eh. Kailangan namang bigyan siya ng time para makapag-rest and recuperate, you know. So, trabaho ako ng Saturday and then Sunday, ako mag-aalaga kay baby the whole day. And then next week, hopefully, makapag-snowboard. We'll see. Either Saturday or Sunday. Okay, lunchtime. Kain muna. Yan ang ulam. Sinigang. Saktong-sakto. Malamig ang panahon. And let's eat. What's up, Ronan? Nag-aabang na naman ng pagkain eh, oh. You wanna eat? Okay. We are done eating. Let's go check on baby. Check natin si baby. Tignan natin kung tapos na siyang maligo. Hello! Gusto magpabuhat sa daddy? Teka lang. Buhat na ni daddy. Ano? Ba? Bango-bango naman ng baby na yan. Oh, eto pala yung nursery ni baby. Marami pang... Oh, I know. Halos kompleto na pero hindi pa eh. Marami pang gustong idagdag. So, kapag nakompleto na yung nursery, papakita namin ulit sa inyo para naman makita nyo yung final product. Di ba, baby? Oh, and then, anong plano sa bike? Ang plano is take you guys for a ride one of these days. Pero, i-figure out ko muna paano ko i-attach yung camera sa motorsiklo, no? If that's the case, I'm gonna have to find a way how to attach this into the motorcycle. Kung ganyan, siguro i-attach ko na lang siya dito. Worst case scenario, I can always order a motorcycle mount para sa Insta360 para ma-mount ko yung camera dito sa side mirror, dito sa harap, no? Sup mga katropa, kakatapos lang ng part-time. Nandiyan na daw si Kuya Dieter sa labas eh. Check out natin.
Hello, kamusta po? Kamusta po? Hello, madlang people.
So, magagawin dito? Wax na, ha?
Wax lang, pre. Para next week.
Okay.
1,000 shit. Okay lang yun. Wala lang yun mga yun. Yeah. Parang si, gano'n Sino yung nagbo-vlog sa...
Sino?
Lasang Pinoy. Mga boy. Ito po ang arbor ko. Ay, hindi pala arbor. Burton pala. Costone.
Sara natin to para hindi malamig. Maliwanag naman dito eh.
Ready na ba sa Kirkwood mo?
Oo, syempre. Tingnan nga dito, bro. Para makita. Yung usog natin yung... Yeah, para mas maliwanag. Yan.
Opo.
yung mga skills na natutunan sa barko eh. Paggupit.
Magugupit ka, may business mo doon.
Oh,
Side
diba?
gig.
Oo.
Side gig.
Babayad mga tao, $20 kada haircut eh. Oh, pang liberty na yun.
Ayo.
Shout out mo na yung ano yun?
Welcome, I am Kuya Dieter. Ayun po yung YouTube channel ko.
Yun.
Ay, di po ako marunong magtagalog, but I'm trying my best. Kaya nag-i-English lang po ako sa channel doon. Kung kailangan nyo ng translator, punta po kayo sa US Embassy sa Pilipinas para makakuha kayo ng translator. Kung hindi, Google AI nyo na lang po.
Ayos na, tignan mo. Asan na yung salamin? Tignan mo. Marami daw sa embassy, bayaran mo 50 pesos.
Maraming naging English po sa US Embassy. Wapo na naman po.
Mayaton.
Mayat mali.
Showcase naman natin yung haircut na yan. Ewan naman. Oh, malinis.
Oh, kung single yung mga tita nyo. You know who to call.
Sige boy.
Ito yung Honda namin. Pupunta kami sa mga resort. Kung gusto nyo pong bilhin, 26 million pesos.
Matindi yan, men.
Oo.
Oh, sige bro.
Salamat pre. Kita-kits na lang sa Kirkwood.
Oh, yeah. Sige.
Ay, bad lang people.
Ayun. Oh, sige men. Akong bahala sa board. Okay. Ingat, ingat. Kakalis lang ni Kuya Dieter, no? Meron din siyang YouTube page if you guys want to check him out. But yeah, his YouTube page is kuya.dieter, I think. But you'll see it in there. Usually, ang mga pinopost niya ay mga off-road stuff, right? Mahilig siya mag-off-road eh. Like, he does a lot of off-roading. And iniwan niya nga pala yung board niya para ma-wax din, which is itong tatrabahuin natin bukas siguro. Bukas or this weekend. Yeah, wax lang yan para ready sa next trip namin on March 10 actually. March 10, we're going to Kirkwood. Finally, hopefully, Kirkwood. Hopefully it's going to happen, but we'll see. If it happens, I'll keep you guys updated. Come on, in there. All right, we are ready to wax the board. It's kind of chilly today. It was snowing this morning. I guess I'm gonna walk you through how I wax and maintain my board. All right, I actually need to wax my board today and then yung board ni Kuya Dieter, no? Let's put this in here on the side. Okay, first things first, kailangan mo nating linisin yung base. So, first, gagamit ako ng brass brush. Brass brush. But yung brush na to, it's like, it has like, yung mga bristles niya is made out of brass or copper. I don't know. Basta, basically, wire brush. There you go, wire brush. So, padaanan mo lang siyang ganyan. Just do some couple passes. Basically, ang ginagawa ng wire brush is tinatanggal lahat ng old wax and lahat ng impurities dito sa base natin. And at the same time, ino-open din niya yung pores ng snowboard para mas madaling i-wax mamaya. Or para mas madaling ma-absorb ng base yung wax. Yeah, they say wax your board every 2 to 3 rides, but I just do it every ride. Oh, and before you do all this, before you even start, if you guys haven't noticed, I took out my bindings. They're right here. Yeah, I took them out already. They suggest just loosening the bolts, but it's better to just take it out completely. All right, it's time to put some wax. Napainit na natin yung iron natin ngayon, no? There's 2 methods. You can either just press the wax on your iron and then let it drip. Or you can do the, what do you call this? The crayon method or color method. I don't know. Press the wax a little bit, like very quick. And then, parang crayons. Be careful not to burn yourself. There you go. The base should look like this. Now, kita nyo, dami ng wax doon. Mukhang marami, but trust me, tamang-tama lang yan. Alright, after that, it's time to iron the board. And let's do it. Oh, if you're ironing the wax into the base, the way I like to do it is I do it from the nose to the tail. I like to do it one single pass at a time, going straight until all the wax is melted. Yeah, you don't have to be in a rush doing this. Like, take your time, enjoy it. Okay, so this board is done. Normally, what I like to do is I let it sit for overnight. Saka ko siya i-scrape, diba? Kasi kailangan mo pang tanggalin yung wax and then i-polish yung base. For the sake of this video, I'll just let it sit for an hour and then we'll scrape it. We'll let it sit on the side and we'll take care of my boy's board. I don't want to mess up his setup. Ang gagawin natin is hindi natin tatanggalin yung binding, but we're just gonna loosen up yung screws para kapag in-iron na natin yung base, hindi mag-warp yung mga inserts, no? Loose lang naman eh, that's not going anywhere. So loose na yung bindings and we are ready to wax it. I'm gonna go get the new one. All right, I got a brand new wax. We're just gonna let these boards sit for an hour and then we will scrape them off. So it's already been an hour. We can go ahead and scrape the wax para matapos na yung ating board. All right, main thing you need is a scraper, right? So I got this the kind scraper I got from Reno. Same thing. When you scrape it, start from the nose all the way down to the tail. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see it or if the camera will pick it up, but you can already tell the base is shinier and it's better looking than earlier. We can go ahead and sit. Alright, so ganoon natin tune yung base ng board. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my boy's board, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, so tapos na yung ating second board, and that's it. These boards are now ready to go shred. There's the base. You can tell it's shiny. All right, so that's how I tune my snowboard. Make sure it's always on top shape. Dahil sa ginagawa ko yung sarili kong tune up sa board, that easily saved me maybe mga $50. Dahil kapag nagpa-wax ka ng snowboard sa labas, mas mahal. Babayaran mo and then you have to wait 24 to 48 hours para matapos nila yung board, no? But if you do it on your own, you don't have to wait that long and nakasave ka pa ng money. All right, so that's it for today. Again, thank you for watching the whole video. Make sure you click subscribe and like and share nyo na rin yung video para naman masuportahan yung channel na to, no? yeah, next trip, hopefully Kirkwood na para naman matuloy na rin yung lagi naming planong Kirkwood na lagi na rin naudlot, no? Plan is to go there next Sunday. So hopefully wala nang aberya at matuloy na rin yung trip, no? Para mapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ko ganda yung Kirkwood. But yeah, again, thank you and yeah, until next vlog. Bye. Peace out.